problem is sent emails go to the user's sent items, not the shared mailbox. When a user sends an email as or on behalf of shared mailbox, by default a copy of that email is saved in the user's own sent items folder, not in the shared mailbox's sent items folder. This means other team members with access to the shared mailbox cannot see the replies that have been sent. This creates a broken audit trail. No one knows what was already responded to. It defeats the purpose of a shared mailbox for teams, for a team collaboration. Now, how do we fix this? So the problem demo here is whatever emails this SMB user one has sent through, uh, using his send as permission on demo shared mailbox, it goes to his sent items. Rather, it's like and if you see demo shared mailbox sent items, it is completely empty. Now, when this guy SMB user 2 logs in, like maybe in a different shift, or he wants to check whether the emails were responded or not, he goes to the sent items of the shared mailbox. He does not see anything, it is empty. Inbox, you can see there is an email, but he wants to know whether this was replied or not. So he does not know because it is in SMB user 1 sent items. And how do we fix this? In order to fix this, we will go to the M365 Admin Center. Remember, to fix this, you do not have to go to Exchange Admin Center. You have to go to M365 Admin Center. In M365 Admin Center, you see on the left hand side, like Home, Copilot, Agent, Users. You have to open Teams and Groups. And here you can see Shared Mailboxes, right? And you see this demo shared mailbox. So, and here in this place, you see sent items not copied to the to mailbox. And here is an option to edit. So you click on edit, copy items sent as this mailbox, copy items sent on behalf of this mailbox. So you just have to check both and click on save. Now we will go to the shared mailbox. I'm logged in as SMB user 2 right now. So what we will do is we will create a new email, send as demo shared mailbox, and I'll send it to my email address. And click on send. Now this email is sent. So we'll see the sent items of the user. So this test email is sent, and we will see the sent items of the shared mailbox. So now you can see the sent items of the shared mailbox and how it helps in collaboration. Now suppose we log in, suppose the shift changes again, and SMB user 1 logs in, right? If SMB user 1 logs back in. Now earlier the sent items of the shared mailbox was empty. Now this sent items is there, right? So he can also go ahead and reply to this email. Okay, I am replying as SMB user 1, right? So and click on send. Because this user does not have send as permission, he has the full access permission only. You can fix this right in the permission section.